G'day guys, just checking out our Walyunga National Park. It's in flooding at the moment. So as you can see, quite a lot of the trails are ending in some flood action. So we're still at Walyunga, found a couple of waterfalls so far. One of them that I'm going to nickname Goat Falls. There's probably about 20 goats hanging around there. I know they're a pest, but you know, they're still living the dream, waterfall dream. Goat waterfalls. So one of the trails is actually closed at the moment, the one that leads right by the river. And if you can see a bit further down, there's just no path at all, like it's all washed away. We've just parked up at a Walyunga pool and yeah, check out the flood action. If you want to have a picnic, bring your wellies. Bit of a wildflower cluster just after the entrance to Walyunga National Park. It's actually pretty bonza. Spotted heaps of cool stuff. Click and subscribe and like and everything, all the bits in between.